wonder who that is.
Wonder who?
I got Windy City Elevators with me.
There's the Elven Airplane Finder. Let's go on a ride. Starting the high rise.
Ooh, new key card readers.
Yep.
Want to do the honors?
Mm-hmm.
It's open. Here we go. Wow, these things are so fun.
Mm-hmm.
I'm starting to have ear popping now.
Yeah, same to me.
33rd floor.
Wow. These things fly, for sure.
Oh, no, they won't. And my advice would be to stay and enjoy the day and go to my deal.
I don't know where you're going.
That's all right. We can
Sorry.
stand close together.
We've had COVID and we've had our shots, so hopefully we're not giving you anything you don't want.
Nah, you're not.
Yeah, don't worry.
My God, these things are fast.
They're really fast. He's recording it.
Yeah, we just like elevators.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, yours will pop my new.
Y'all care to watch a ball game or video elevators?
Yeah.
Oh, I think
guys
they're gonna
go.
stay on the elevator.
Thank you.
All right.
Well, you want me now?
Let's go on a low rise.
One of these.
Okay.
Is that one even running?
Doesn't look like it.
I think that one's out of service. Oh, that's gonna be this one, I think. Yep.
Aw.
That one's great. There's this one.
You know, this bell somehow is ringing it like down, like ding dong, you
It's
know.
not even open either.
Yeah, it's probably gonna like sit.
We'll let them know what's going on.
Yeah, let's listen to that bell though. All right, go ahead, push it.
There we go. Let's see. Wow, they're completely open.
Yep.
Second floor.
You're wondering, I think these go at like 800 feet per minute.
Yeah, I believe
high
so.
rise goes at 11.
Going down.
Oh yeah, look at that view out there. Oh, that's cool. Thought we may have just shut him on someone. This one's making a few weird noises. Get a big bigger. There we go.
First floor. Going up.
What you think of that?
Oh yeah, this is awesome.
There it goes in. That'll do it.
That's gonna be it.